Hi, my name is Leidy. My contributions final tax final, and the course language for and function, and the theme is derivation and derivation and definition. And derivation is account as one of the word alignment, and the procedure as the which allows a different language to design related the concepts and addition semantics amid are the considered as the primitive, that is to say that the derivation as from a word etymologic and speaking, and the are derivation the morphemes that the trace and the closer to the root and the reflexes morpheme. And the derivation, an example is an adjective, an adjective, and noun, and no adjectives and delicate, the axis AC, and the no delicacy, and the adjective social, and axis AST, and the no similarity, and the adjective and the true, and the affix th, and the no true, and the adjective and scenic, and the affix is esm, and the no cynicism, and the adjective arrogant, and the affix ansi, and the no arrogancy. Or for the other form, an example is the some example of English derivation morpheme. AC, know the adjective alcohol, alcoholic. NC, bird. NC is a verb. The know the and the no is clear, and the axis is clear, and the no clearly, and the adjective adverb and is eg, and the affix is exact, and the noun is exactly, and the noun is cheap, noun the friend is French. Adjective earn, an adjective definite and indefinite, and at, an adjective and not an adjective 80, and noun the affix is active, and the noun is activity. Thank you very much.